Hello again. Today, I'll show you how to update and install Windows 10 version 22H2. First, I'll check which version of Windows I've installed on my computer. For this, I introduce in search bar next command, WinVer. You observe that I have version 21H2. To update Windows version, do next steps. Introduce in search bar, Update. Click on Check for updates. You will observe that in Feature Update to Windows 10, version 22H2 is ready for download and install. Click on Download and Install. We wait for checking for updates. And after that, wait to download new version of Windows. It takes some time, depending on every PC. After the status of downloading is 100%, start the installing. You are asked if you click on Restart Now or schedule the restart. After restart, we must check if version is installed. Introduce search bar, WinVer. You will observe that the version which is installed correctly on this PC is version 22H2. For more videos, please give like, comment and share. Bye.